Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to make a line follower using MakeCode. Like in a video before, the course is following the line. It the code is not simple like what now you're thinking. This for the code I will explain one by one. But before explaining the code, I want to explain how the smart parking was can that tiny bit can follow the line. In this I have the tiny bit, it's called tiny bit. In here there is the microbit. So all the code we transfer into this item, then we plug it in here. It's like this. Then we turn on the switch for make it turn on, and it will okay. It will on. Okay. So in this tiny bit, we have a sensor in here. If you can see in here, there's a sensor that can detect white and black color. In here, there's a battery, and this is the wheel, and a servo for make the wheel can round and round. In here, we have a sensor, but in this project, I don't need this sensor. Okay, so I will explain the code one by one. Okay, first, this is function. We can call it maju. In here, there is car control speed. Run speed is 80, and if line sensor direct left state value back line, which means is when it hit the left sensor detect a black line, it will spin left speed. It will car control speed spin left, which means he will spin to left. Then the speed is 80. And if the right sensor detect a black line, it will spin right. So it when he detect a line, it will like turn and turn again. So uh, it will make the tiny bit will not go out from the line and will stand in the line. Next, this set index to 0 and so let this. So when we turn on, the index will set to 0. What is index? Later I will explain it. Then this for make a logo in this microbit. Okay, next. This the most important. This also important. Most is index. So index is like a point that we must add to this tiny bit go into the next code. Okay, like in here, if index is 0, while do is mil is not 3500, call maju in here, it will run. So which means he will put in front for a second, then set index to 1 in here. Else if index if 1, then next code milis while do milis in here, he will spin left. So it will spin left, and then the next code is called maju, so he will move forward again. So next in here, set index to 3. In index he will spin right, so he will spin to the right, then set index, and the last code is call maju, so he will go to move forward again. So if this code we push it, it will make a tiny bit to follow a line. And if he want to go out, like there's a typo in is, and he want to go out from the line, there is this sensor. When he almost go out the line, some sensor will detect and will make it back to the line. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. As what I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.